Hello guys, I just noticed something. I've been buying these wines. I like boxed wine, but mostly I just open this and I just let it out, the inside of the wine, and I realized something. After so many years of drinking boxed wine, that I've been doing something wrong. I don't know if you guys know this, but let me show you something. I hope I'm not boring you. But to me it's very interesting, because I actually realized that this is why the shape is like this. Take this baby out. This is my favorite wine, Woolworths red wine. It's very alcoholic, 10% volume. See up there? Yeah, 10%. It's hot. Okay, and then you see this part here, this thing, you can turn this around. Okay, you can turn this around. Yes, you can. And you turn this, and then this is what you do. Okay, turn now. And then you see this two, like a squarish, these edges here, you let this slide nicely like that, and it's in. It's it's better than this, turning it around, and spilling the wine, precious wine. You do this, and ta-da! Okay, you guys can see, I grab my precious glass. Okay, I'm so excited. There's something in the glass. Take it out, and I pour my precious wine. That's enough for the evening. Keep me going for the rest of the evening. Okay, and that's it, folks. And it's intact like that. It's in place. It's like a small little tap. You keep it like this. You put it away. And enjoy. Thanks. Cheers.